Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to spot for in-depth product reviews that help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 glass air fryer, an all-in-one cooking system that's designed to make meal prep easier, healthier, and more efficient. This product is an intriguing option for families, meal preppers, and anyone looking to streamline their kitchen setup. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Ninja Crispi Pro combines functionality and style with its modular design and powerful 1800-watt system. At its core, it comes with two glassware containers, one 6-quart and one 2.5 quart, that are thermal shock resistant and non-toxic. You can use them for cooking or storing meals, thanks to the snap lock lids that keep everything secure and fresh. This air fryer offers versatility with 6 different functions: max crisp, air fry, bake proof, roast, recrisp, and dehydrate, making it a truly multi-purpose tool for the kitchen. It's also capable of cooking a 7-point-pound chicken, enough to feed up to 10 people, so this is a solid option for family-sized meals. And let's not forget the elevated design, which lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks, ensuring you can monitor your meals without opening the unit every few minutes. When it comes to real-world testing, the Ninja Crispi Pro shows its strengths. Setting it up was a breeze. Everything you need comes in the box, including the glassware, crisper plates, and storage lids. I tried a few different functions to test its versatility. I started with air frying some chicken wings. The results were crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, just as promised. I then moved on to baking and dehydrating, and I was equally impressed with the even cooking and consistent results. The heat control is precise, making it easy to customize the cooking experience based on the dish. One thing I did notice was that the glass containers heat up quickly and retain heat well, which is great for cooking but requires a bit of caution when handling them. On the flip side, the Ninja Crispi Pro does have some room for improvement. While the glassware is a great feature, it can be a bit heavy, especially when filled with food. If you're someone who frequently handles heavy cookware, this might take some getting used to. Also, while the modular base is designed to adjust to different container sizes, it can be a bit cumbersome to switch between the 6-quart and 2.5-quart containers if you're in a rush. These are minor issues, but they're worth noting if speed and ease of use are top priorities for you. Now let's talk value. The Ninja Crispi Pro is priced higher than some traditional air fryers, but when you factor in the versatility, 6 cooking functions, 2 glass containers, and a modern design, it's a solid deal. The non-toxic, thermal shock-resistant glassware adds a premium touch, and the leak-proof storage lids are a nice bonus for meal prep or leftovers. However, there are competing products in the market, like the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer, which offers similar functionality at a lower price point. That said, the Ninja Crispi Pro's unique design and premium materials may justify the cost for some users, especially those looking for a stylish, multifunctional kitchen gadget. When comparing it to alternatives, the Ninja Crispi Pro stands out in terms of the quality of its build and its design. The glassware is a significant differentiator, offering a non-toxic, dishwasher-safe option that not many other air fryers can boast. However, if you're not particularly concerned about having glass containers and prefer a more traditional nonstick approach, other options might be more affordable. In terms of functionality, the Ninja Crispi Pro holds its own, especially for those who want to combine air frying, baking, and even dehydrating into a single device. The build quality is solid with durable materials used throughout. The glassware feels sturdy, and the unit itself has a high-end, modern look that would blend well with most kitchen setups. As for longevity, it's tough to predict long-term reliability without extended use, but based on the quality of materials and Ninja's reputation, this air fryer should hold up over time. It's also worth noting that the removable modular base makes cleaning relatively easy, which is a plus if you use it regularly. While I didn't need to interact with customer support during my testing, Ninja's customer service is generally well regarded, with fast response times and helpful assistance. The brand has a solid reputation for standing behind their products, so if you do run into any issues, you're likely to get a helpful solution. In conclusion, the Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 glass air fryer is a versatile and well-designed cooking system that can handle a variety of tasks, from air frying to baking and beyond. It excels in functionality, offering customizable cooking options with precise temperature control. The premium glassware is a unique feature that sets it apart from competitors, but it does come with some added weight and a slight learning curve when switching between container sizes. If you're looking for a multifunctional family-sized air fryer with a sleek design, this could be a great fit for your kitchen. Just keep in mind that there are alternatives that may offer similar features at a more affordable price point. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Ninja Crispi Pro for yourself, check the comments for more info. If you already own one, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions. We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay crispy and keep it fresh. Only here at Reviewsinside TV.